Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Castle Serenity pellet stove and you want to set a schedule for when the heat comes on, when the heat comes off, what temperatures and everything like that. It's real easy to do. All we need to do is enter this set data menu on the control screen of our thing and of our stove. And to do that, we just need to press and hold the enter menu, the enter button, and that will open this set data menu automatically. And then from there, you can see the second option is set weekly. So we're just going to toggle down to the set weekly option and hit the enter button. And once we hit the enter button, it will open this menu here. And so you can see we can have 5 different changes of starting and stopping in different temperatures per day. And basically what you do is you hit enter, and it's going to highlight this first hour, which is the starting hour of this parameter. So whatever time you want it to start heating, you'll toggle through to the hour, you'll hit enter, and it'll toggle you over to the minutes, and you'll toggle through the minutes. And then you hit enter again, and it'll toggle over here, and this will be the stop time for this parameter. So in this one, we want it to start heating at 1:15 a.m. and to stop heating at 7 a.m. And if you hit enter again, then you can set the actual temperature. You can toggle through 67 degrees. Hit enter again, and it will come down, and you can set a second parameter. Later in the day, I want it to heat to this. And then once you toggle through, you can go next. You see here we're on Sunday. We can toggle through to the next day and have different parameters for each day. Or we can simply toggle over to all and set this, what we've set for all days of the week. Simple as that. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.